A very warm welcome to everyone one more time. As such, in my all the previous videos, I have discussed about the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the integers. Today, in this particular video, I am going to discuss about how we can represent the addition of the different integers on the number line. Sometimes we find it so difficult to represent the integers on the number line. So let us discuss with a few examples how we can represent the integers on the number line. So our topic of today is representation of integers on the number line. That's the topic we are going to discuss today. So I will start with an example. The first example we are starting now here, and the question will remain the same for all the different examples. And the example is 3 plus 5. Now we have to represent this particular 3 plus 5. As you can see, both the integers are positive. So just for our sake only, I have discussed all the things in the previous section of my videos, that if we will add the two positive integers, we are going to get a number always in a positive integer. So answer will be how much? Plus 8. Now how we can represent that thing on the number line? So representation of the number line is done like this. So what you have to do is that you have to just make a one straight line like this. This is a straight line you have to draw. Then afterwards you have to start marking the things. Initial point, as you all know, that it starts with a 0. So here's a 0 marker. Here is a 1. All the numbers which are to this side will always be positive. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. Then 8. Then 9. And then 10. So now, as you can understand, all the numbers are positive, hence I have taken all the positive numbers only. So now let us start representing this thing on the number line. How it can be done? Now you can see our first number is 3, which is a positive number. So what we will do, our frog will start from the number 0. Remember, this frog is now on the number 0. He is going to jump from 0 to which number? Third number, that is plus 3. So here's the frog jumping, and it jumped and crosses the 1 and 2, and now he landed on plus 3. So here is the jump plus 3. Now the next jump of the frog. Now frog is going to jump how many times, my dear students? It is going to jump 5 times. As such, it is given plus 5. So make it little bit easier. Now frog is little lazy now. He is going to jump 1 by 1. So how it can be jumped? Like this. How many times we have to jump? 5 times. So 1 time, 2, 3, 4, and here he landed. Now you can see here the last landing position is how much? 8. That is plus 8 is the landing. So here what we have done? From here till here, what we have done is a plus 5 we have done. So finally we have obtained the answer as plus 8, and that's the correct also, as we have checked in the previous section. Now let us move towards the next example, in which now we are going to take the different numbers, different integers. Now the integers got changed. It is 3 minus 5. As I have discussed that whenever we add and subtract the integers, we always use the greater number sign. This time the greater number is how much? 5. So answer will be a negative integer. So whatever the answer we will get in the minus form. So 3 minus 5 is how much? It is minus 2. So when we will represent that thing on the number line, it will come in the number negative integer as minus 2. So let us start representing it. So what we will do? We'll just make a one straight line. Here you can see I have drawn a one big straight line in which we will start with the point 0. So I am marking the 0 here, the initial point. Let us mark the positive numbers this side. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and it goes on. Now the negative side number, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and it will goes on. So now where is our frog? Our frog in the position number, oh, that is 0. First of all, he is going to jump plus 3. You can see I have circled with the green, plus 3. So he is going to jump from here to the number 3, a big long jump. So what the frog has done? Plus 3. Now you can see the another integer which is an negative integer. So here is the negative integer we are having, minus 5. So he will jump 5 times from plus 3 to the next opposite side. So let us make him jump 5 times. So let us jump a 1 time, a 2 time, a 3 time, a 4 time, and a 5 times up. Now his position is what? His position is minus 2, and you can see it is matching with our answer. So here we have done how many jumps? Minus 5. That means we have done the 5 jumps in the next side. So this has been understood. Now let us move towards the another example. Example number 3. Let us move a little bit faster. Now what will happen? It will be minus 3 plus 5. Now let us solve it. As you will solve it, you will find out our answer will come as an plus 2. So when we will represent that thing on the number line, our frog is going to stop in the value that is plus 2. So let us start marking the things. So here I have started marking the things from here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and goes on. And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and goes on. So where is the frog standing? Its frog is standing in the position number O, or we can say 0. He is going to jump directly to the minus 3. So here he has got the jump and he landed here in the minus 3. This is a minus 3 position. So here's a minus 3. But plus 5. Now we have to do the plus 5. Whenever we use the plus sign, it is always going to move towards the positive direction. Remember, my dear students. So let us make him jump from minus 3 5 times to the positive side. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally you can see where that person landed in number plus 2. It is matching with our answer, hence our representation is absolutely correct. Now let us move faster to the last example. So hope you will understand it very well. So the fourth and the last example, let us take both the numbers, both the integers, negative. So you know that minus and minus become plus, but the greater number sign will get included. So it will become how much? It will become minus 8. Let us draw that thing on the number line. Let us represent that thing on the number line. As you can see, my dear students, both the numbers, you can see both the numbers are negative. So what is the need to take the things in the positive? But for our sake, I'm taking the few numbers in the positive like it. I'm starting with the 0 here, 1 here, 2 here, and go so on. Let us mark the negative number this side. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. Oh wow, it's a -10. So now that frog is now a little bit a lazier one. What he wants to do, he is going to jump -3 directly from the position number 0 to the -3. Oh, he jumps and he landed here, and that's the answer, -3. But you can see again, this time he has to jump 5 times, but in the negative direction. That means in the negative side. How many times? 5 times. So he will start from the 3 and jumps 5 times. Let us make him the jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally he landed to his home as an -8. So answer is -8, and you can see, my dear students, it is matching with our answer. So this is the way, my dear students, we have to represent the integers on the number line. It is not at all a difficult topic. Keep on practicing these types of question. You're going to love this thing. I'm sure you all have understood whatever the theoretical explanation with the diagram I have explained you. Keep it up. Keep on doing the mathematics. Make your mathematics is the strongest subject, my dear students. I'm always with you to help you always, anytime. Discuss in my comment box, and please subscribe my channel. Please keep on sharing my channel so at least maximum of the students be benefited by my all these videos. Thank you very much, my dear students. As you know, my head starts with this only, that my dear students, mathematics is not at all the mathematics, it's a mathemagic. Thank you very much.